when you want to say good night, or when you want to, communicate that you are feeling sleepy or you want to go and sleep. So how to say all these things in Igbo? Okay, so keep joining, guys. Keep joining. Yeah, welcome, welcome. I can see you. So how many people is watching now? Okay, 10 watching. All right, so let's start. Let's start. But before that, let me just sing this song. Ndị Igbo sụwa asụsụ eji mara gị, aga m asụkwa Igbo. Igbo amaka asụsụ ala nna m, aga m asụkwa Igbo. I know you'll be wondering, what am I speaking? What am I saying? Yeah, of course I'm speaking Igbo. But then, I want to translate it. Let me explain to you what I just sang. Ndị Igbo sụwa asụsụ eji mara gị. So ndị Igbo means Igbo people. Ndị Igbo, Igbo people, right? Sụwa asụsụ eji mara gị. Of course, you know asụsụ is language now. Asụsụ. So sụwa asụsụ, speak the language eji mara gị, you are known for. Sụwa asụsụ eji mara gị. Ndị Igbo sụwa asụsụ eji mara gị, aga m asụkwa Igbo. Right? So aga m asụkwa Igbo. I'm going to speak Igbo. Aga m asụkwa Igbo. Igbo amaka. Of course, you know Igbo amaka means Igbo is beautiful. Igbo amaka asụsụ ala nna m, asụsụ ala ala, asụsụ ala nna m, my father's language. That is, you understand? So that is asụsụ ala nna m. Ndị Igbo sụwa asụsụ eji mara gị, aga m asụkwa Igbo. Igbo amaka asụsụ ala nna m, aga m asụkwa Igbo. So, oh my goodness, my phone is very low. Sorry, guys. Yeah, keep joining, guys. Sorry, I won't take so much time because my battery is even low. But I promise to return back tomorrow by 10 p.m. Okay, so that we're going to do this very well. I will teach you guys very, very well. So my phone is just 10% and I don't want it to go off without completing this video. So let me just rush things. All right, so good night means kachifo, kachifo, kachifo. That is good night, kachifo. Of course, if you don't know my name is Oni or Onyinye. That's Onyinye Chukwu, God's gift. Or you can call me Onyinye, which means gift, or you can just short it Oni. All right, it simply means gift as well. So good night, kachifo, kachifo, good night. Kobo, that is, if you tell someone kachifo, in response to that, the person that you told kachifo will not say kobo. Kobo means till daybreak. You understand? Kachifo, good night. Kobo, till daybreak. So I want to sleep. Achọrọ m ihi ụra. Achọrọ m ihi ụra. Achọrọ m ihi ụra. That is, I want to sleep. Ụra na-atụ m. I'm feeling sleepy. Ụra na-atụ m. That is, I'm feeling sleepy. Feel free to drop a topic. I take topics, okay? Yes, I take requests. Like, drop a topic on what you want to learn on this channel, and then I do shout out as well. Tell me where you're watching me from and then your name, so that I will give you shout outs. I may likely come back this night to complete this live, or maybe tomorrow, okay? Because my phone is very low, like I told you. So guys, Kodiechi. See you tomorrow. Kodiechi. See you tomorrow. Or simply Kodi. See you later. Igbo is very sweet though. You just have to practice it. Practice makes perfect. So when you keep practicing what you are learning on this channel, trust me, trust me, you'll be a legend. Like, in fact, ị ga na-ata Igbo ata. You'll be chopping Igbo. Ị ga na-ata ya ata. Igbo is sweet, like, oh my goodness. It is well. So tomorrow, guys, okay, sorry for the short life. I don't know, my battery is that low, honestly. So I just wanted to talk to you guys, but because of this low battery, I will do it tomorrow by 10 p.m. So just try to join. I promise I'll come live tomorrow because I have list of good night phrases I want to teach you here. So tomorrow I'll do all of that. But Kachifo means good night. Kodiechi. See you tomorrow. All right. Bye.